Welcome. Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. New powder foundation today. I am going to finally try the NATASHA DENONA powder foundation. It says NATASHA DENONA High Glam Powder Foundation, Blurring Flex Tech Hybrid Power. It is 0.44 ounces. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And the shade that I picked is P10. I did a shade match on Ulta and I put in my Fenty powder foundation, which is 420. And it told me that my match is P10, which I'm going to try. I hope I got the right one. This is what the box looked like again. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a little heavy. It looks nice. I mean, looks. This is my most expensive powder foundation yet. After this one, it will be the Estee Lauder. And it opens this way. Oh my God, I hope it's my shade. This is what it looks like. Once I lift this, there is a mirror and there is a sponge that's a ND. This is where the sponge is. This is what the sponge looks like. Already primed my face with the e.l.f. semi-matte primer. So I have that on. It has like a little pouch like this. That is the ND sponge. I'm going to use the sponge and let us see if I pick the right shade, because I heard a lot of stuff about this foundation. It is a refillable, so when this is done, you can buy just the refillable to put in there. I rub the sponge in the powder and I'm ready to use it. I'm starting on my forehead. I usually never start on my forehead, but I'm starting on my forehead. Let's see if I got the right match. I'm going to put it everywhere, including my eyes, on top and underneath. I have very oily skin, so powder foundation works very good on my skin, and I love it for that reason. The powder is very smooth. It also said that it blurs, so I want to see if it blurs my pores. Look like I'm a little red, doesn't it? But we will see. We will see. After I'm done with this sponge, I will take a brush just to fluff it. But so far, this thing is going on like butter. See what it looks like? Because like I say, I have very oily skin. So I have to put enough powder on, or else once the oil starts drinking it up, if I don't have enough, it will look like I never put anything. But once the oil starts mixing with it, it comes out really nice. I mean, my face looks nice, but this is looking fabulous. I'm looking in the mirror here. I don't know if it's blurring, but my pores don't look as big as they usually are. Okay, that might be something different here. It is looking nice in the mirror. I don't know if you can notice, but it is looking smooth. I mean, even the sponge is just smooth. Wow. I'm doing it again because it is so smooth. Wow. Okay. I see you, NATASHA DENONA. This powder is nice. Wow. I'm just dabbing it on my face, because I want to see if that really works, and I want you to see if it really works. The color doesn't look bad. Tell me what you think. What do you think about the color? I think I picked the right shade. But again, I don't know if it oxidizes, so I'll give it time and I will show you in the end what it looks like. But this is good. I think I got it. I think I got it. I love when I get a foundation that matches. This is looking good. I use the sponge to apply the powder. I use the brush to just settle it down on my skin and make sure everything is evenly done. I hope it is evenly done because this powder is so pretty. Take a look. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful powder. It is smooth, 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 smooth. I don't have another powder like this. Let me just say, I don't. This is what it looks like after I've used it with the sponge. But this feels like my skin. I feel like I don't have anything else other than just my moisturizer, my skin. I mean, this is very nice. I guess the hype I heard about it is real. It is real. I have it. I love it. It's only on for a couple of hours. I know hair looks different because over here I have hooded eyes. So whenever I put something, I go like this, it holds onto it. But I mean, take the look at my skin. I'm looking in the mirror. It is not disappointing me. I like it. What coverage would I give this? This look like a medium coverage. I bet I can build it up, but this is what it looks like. Tell me what you think. Do you think that I got my right shade? Let me know in the comments. Always remember you first. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. If you are struggling with any ailment, I am begging, I am begging you to seek help. Please seek help. I love you dearly. I will see you in the next video. Remember to hype this one and share it and watch a playlist. Bye. NATASHA DENONA Hype Glam Press Powder Foundation. I love it.